This Spotlight on Estate Planning is sponsored by Game Plan Financial. Every game has a winner. Every winner has a game plan. For more information, visit gameplanfinancial.com. In a deal made on Monday, President Obama compromised with Republican lawmakers on several tax issues, including estate tax. The president agreed to support a plan to increase the estate tax to 35% with a $5 million exemption. If Congress fails to approve the measure, estate tax is set to rise to a top rate of 55% with a $1 million exemption. The president also agreed to extend the Bush-era tax cuts for 2 years. Republicans, while satisfied with the extension, want the cuts to be extended permanently. In exchange for the tax breaks, Republican legislators involved in the deal agreed to a 13-week extension of unemployment benefits for those who have been jobless the longest. While Republican lawmakers achieved several goals in the compromise, Obama is facing criticism from Democrats who wanted Bush-era tax cuts for the wealthy to expire. The president initially pushed to only give a tax cut extension to households earning under $250,000 per year. The American Bar Association wants Congress to act immediately on the pending estate tax and generation skipping transfer tax legislation. In a letter sent last week to the Senate Finance Committee and the House Committee on Ways and Means, the ABA says action is needed because the law is uncertain. The ABA says Americans are paralyzed in their estate planning because they fear once the legislation is finalized, they may either face increased taxes or need a new estate plan. The ABA also says taxpayers could be subjected to adverse tax consequences due to the 2010 estate tax limbo. In the letter, the association expresses concern that Congress will pass a law in the future, but then apply it retroactively to January 1, 2010. According to a new FindLaw.com survey, 55% of Americans lack a will. The legal information website says respondents between the ages of 18 and 34 are even less likely to have a will. Only 1 in 6 in that age bracket wrote a will. However, the majority of Americans ages 55 and older have a will in place. The poll also shows that people who are older, married, and have higher incomes are more likely to have a will. The survey's findings are consistent with results seen since FindLaw.com began tracking data in 2001. For more industry spotlights, visit producersweb.com.